Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. If you are new here, my name is Majestic Sammie, and this is the look that I am doing today. So if you guys want to see how I created this new baddie look, then just keep on watching. Bye. Start with our Too Faced Hangover face primer. We're just gonna press some into our hand and just rub it in and then patting it all over the face. Now we have our Fenty Beauty foundation, and we're just gonna apply this on our face all over the areas that we need it to cover up. And now we're going in with our wet beauty sponge, and we're just gonna go ahead and pat this all over the face. So as for this part, it's okay if you get a little bit on foundation on your eyebrows because you can still cover it up later. So I'm using this Loreal foundation stick, which I am going to use it as a contour stick. So I'm just going to apply this on the cheekbone areas. Using a nice blending brush, we're just going to go ahead and blend all those harsh lines. You're blending because it's going to help the harsh lines to disappear and blend within all your skin. Now back with the Revolution stick, we're going to apply this under the chin, under our lips, and also on the forehead, and then we're going to apply this on our nose so we can have that really nice contoured nose. Back with the blending brush, we're going to go ahead and blend all of our areas where we drew our contour lines, and just blending all the harsh lines so they can blend in with our skin and look more natural. So now with our beauty sponge, we're going to go back and just blend all of those areas where we did our contour, just so everything is well blended. And then we're going to go in and blend our nose as well, just so the lines can blend in and so we know where we're going to contour with our powder. So now we're going to go in with our Loreal and concealer, and we're going to conceal under our eyes. And then we're also going to conceal this on our chin, and then over our lips, and on the forehead as well. And like I usually do, on the sides of my chin as well. So now back with the beauty blender, we're going to go ahead and just blend all those areas where we did our conceal. We're going to go in with our Airspun translucent powder, and we're going to use a brush and just buffing it under our eyes and over the lips and on the chin, just so everything will stay in place and just bake. So now with our MAC Studio powder foundation, we're going to go ahead and apply this on the bottom of our jawline, the forehead, and also the nose bridge. And we're just going to skip under their eyes because that part is already covered with enough powder. For contour, we are going to be using our Kat Von D palette. We're going to be using 2 shades. And with the fluffy brush, we're going to blend this all over our face, just to the areas where we need contoured. So with the smaller brush, we're going to go ahead and blend the same contour colors under our chin and also our nose, just so we can have a smaller nose. For eyeshadow primer, we're going to be using our Urban Decay. So we're going to apply this onto our eyelids. So I'm using a brush and I'm just blending this all over the eyelids, and then I'm going to use my hand to help warm up the primer. So now going in with our 35 OW, we're going to be using this warm brown shade and just apply this on the crease of our eyelids. So now with the orange shade, we're going to be using this on top of the brown that we used. So now going back with that same brown brush, we're just trying to bring back the color. So now with the dark brown, we're going to be going in and applying this on the ends of our eyelids and just creating a cat look with it. First impression. So going back with that warm brown that we used with the other brush, we're just going back and bringing that color back. So now with the orange brush that we used before, we're going to go back and blend that as well. So to create our cut crease, we're going in with our ColourPop concealer, just concealing the eyelids. So now with the brush, we're going to go ahead and fix the concealer. So we're going in with our 305S and we're gonna apply this on our eyelids. So now we're gonna apply the peachy glitter and we're gonna apply this on top of the other glitter that we used, just so it has a little pop to it. So now with the 24/7 Urban Decay eyeliner, we're going to apply this under our eyes so we can have a darker eye look. And we're also going to apply this on our waterline area, just below the waterline actually, because we're going to be using another lighter shade for the waterline. So back in the 35OW, we're going to be using this dark brown that we used before and apply it on the area where we did our eyeliner. With the same warm brown color we used before as well, we're going to also apply that under the dark brown. So now going in with our e.l.f. cream eyeliner, we're going to line our eyes and create that cat eye look. So with the Rimmel Nude eyeliner, we're going to apply this on the waterline. So now going in with our 35OS, we're going to be using a glittery silver pink color and we're going to apply this onto the inner corner of our eyes. So with the same glitter, we're going to go ahead and use it as a highlighter. So we're going to apply this on the nose and areas where we need our highlighter to pop. So now with the Romantic Rose blush from Milani, we're going to apply that on our apple cheeks and also on the areas where we did our contour besides the nose. So I decided to wait until after I applied my blush and then apply the glitter on top of it. So for lips, I'm going to be using my Huda Beauty lip liner in the shade of Board Meeting. So for lipstick, I'll be using NYX Free Spirit. So to brighten up our lips a little more, we're going to be using Dainty Days. So back into our highlight color that we used before, we're going to use that and apply that onto our lips. Now with the mascara, using Tarte Big Ego, we're going to apply this on our top lashes, and also we're going to be applying on our bottom lashes as well. Lastly but least, don't forget the lashes. So we're going to be using Makeup Geek 3D lashes, and this is what they look like. This is the final look, so I hope you guys liked it. If you guys watched to the very end, thank you very much, and don't forget to like, subscribe. If you already have, thank you so much. So don't forget to turn on your notification bell down. I'll be uploading, like I said, once or twice a week, so stay tuned for that. So I'll see you guys next time. Bye.